Hello and welcome. My name is Gareth Fleck, and today is Manifestation Monday. So I put together a simple formula for creating your future and bringing desires into your life. Through using this myself, I've just manifested myself completely out of debt, with large sums of money coming into my life. I have also manifested new clients, loving clients who come to me for change and pay on time. I have manifested health. So much free coffee, meetings going well, just lots of new friends, free events, and it works so easy. Okay, so the step one, you need your desire. Okay, look, yeah, desire. Know what you want. What do you want? Is it health, love, friendship, relationships, money, new job? Just figure out what you want and get clear on this desire. Okay, so number one, figure out what you want. And then we construct an event that implies the fulfillment of your desire. We don't worry about how it's going to happen. We find out what we want, and then we create an event in our mind of the desire being fulfilled. Okay, so I have a couple of examples. If we click here, if you desire a job promotion, then the event would be you'd create a scene where your friend would be congratulating you and shaking your hand. Congratulations, you got the job. And you completely, you see it in your mind. Congratulations, you got the job. And you say, thank you so much. I'm so happy and grateful. Okay. A desire for happiness could be your friend, create a scene where your friend's in front of you being like, no, for example, oh, Gareth, you look so happy and peaceful. And then you respond in your mind, yes, I am. I'm so happy and grateful. Every day I wake up smiling. You create the scene that implies the wish fulfilled. And then we let it go. If you desire money, you could be seeing yourself excited for $10,000 in your bank. This is what I did. Seeing 20 grand in my bank. And then out of nowhere, I changed KiwiSaver providers, and next thing you know, there's $25,000 in interest just into my bank in 2 months. Just like that. The power of this is amazing, and day after day after day, I'm having more and more faith in it because I just see all this stuff coming into my life, and your imagination is the key. The feeling and the imagination, if you can see it and feel it to be real, it will manifest. And I've seen this time and time again. So you could see yourself with $20,000 in your bank account, and you just get so excited, you see yourself coming up to the ATM, put your PIN in, the display balances, check, $20,000. Oh my God, you get excited. Play it, loop it, loop it, loop it, and give it all the signs of reality. Like, where would the bank be? Like, just feel yourself, hear the button. You can, right now, I say, push the buttons on the ATM, and I bet you can hear, what it sounds like. So you got to just really see it. Okay, so construct the event. So you know what you want, construct the event that implies the wish fulfilled. Induce a sleepy state. So the key is you do not visualize yourself in the third person, but you feel yourself in the middle of the action of the feeling of your friend congratulating you. So you feel them shaking your hand, and you reenact it over and over until it feels more real. Then we let it go and just have faith. This is where we imply faith. We know it's done. We know it's done. And every time the old man, the wee thoughts come in, like trying to make you doubt, you discern it, you turn the other cheek, and you say, I know it is completed because I've seen it in my mind. You've felt it. It feels real to you. So instead of seeing yourself on a screen shaking the hand, you would be first person. So a good way is just to close your eyes and imagine, seeing your hands move around and build up your imagination. And yeah, so you'd create this event. Congratulations, you got the job. And you feel the hand. You see, look, I'm already getting excited. You can elevate your emotional level to the frequency where that is true. Frequencies carry information if you can connect with that frequency and stay on it, all the information on that frequency will come into your life. You will manifest it. Your situation, it's happened time and time again, and it's happening the exact same thing. Helping my friend, he doesn't know, but I imagine him getting a job and calling me, be like, Gareth, I got the job. And 2 weeks, or it was like even a week later, he called me, and then everything started feeling funny. And he's like, Gareth, I got the job, the exact scene I had imagined, and it blew my mind. And now, yeah, it really works. You have to have faith. Imagine the wish fulfilled. Feel it. What do you see? What do you smell, taste, touch, hear? How does it feel? Where do you feel it? Make it real, and then let it go. Test it. Even with a ladder. Neville Goddard, this is who I get all these methods off. He is amazing. Check him out, Neville Goddard. But he has a process where you, as you fall asleep, climb up and down a ladder. Up and down a ladder. Every night before you fall asleep, tell yourself, I'm not going to climb a ladder. I'm not going to climb a ladder, but see yourself do it. And then see if you end up climbing a ladder, and it will happen in the most random way, most unexpected way. But yeah, even like a tennis ball. Imagine a tennis ball in your hand. You can feel it. You can throw it, hits the ground. You can hear it in your mind. Just keep doing it until it feels real, then let it go. Next thing you know, out of reality, the subconscious, and that will just create circumstances leading you to this event. So you're here, here's your desire. You create the event of the wish fulfilled, and then all these circumstances, situations will come into play for you to get to this event in the most random way. And it's happening even quicker for me now. The other day, I was like, I feel like dancing. The exact next day, I got free tickets to a rave in the sky up in the gondola. It's amazing. Again, I was like, I feel like dancing. I just did my healing practitioner course, and we were blindfolded and dancing. Like, I think I like dancing. But yeah, give this a test. So just to recap, know what you want. I'll bring that up. Yeah, your desire. Know what you want. Construct an event that implies the wish fulfilled. Friends shaking your hand, telling you, like congratulating you. You have to feel it, really feel it, see it. Best way to do it is in a state before sleep, because you're relaxed and the conscious mind isn't there to tell you. If you can fall asleep with it feeling real. Just watch what happens, and just don't believe me. Test it, test it, test it, test it, and then create the life you love. And yeah, hope that helps. Bless you. I love you. Enjoy your life, and I will see you next Monday. Bye.